Hey everyone, Greg from My Mortgage here. Just a quick update in terms of what's going on with lending at the moment from the banks. So a few things we're seeing. The banks are working really quickly on applications, which is great. We are seeing applications coming back in 2 to 5 days, which is awesome. And we have been seeing over the last little while some slightly lower rates as the banks fight for business, which is cool. And so we've been able to access that for clients. So just one thing, if you are refixing your lending, so you've already got lending in place and you're refixing, make sure you touch base with us, because what we're seeing, which is really interesting, the bank staff haven't been able to offer the same rates we've been able to offer. Now that's not super normal. Normally we see quite consistency between what banks offer and what we offer, but that we're seeing that we're able to get slightly lower rates. So if you are fixing in the next few months, feel free to take a screenshot of what the banks are offering you on your app, send it through to us, we'll check it, make sure it's in line with what we're seeing, give you some really good advice, and then you can accept it online, or we can get new rates for you if needed. So what are we expecting to see with rates? Well, over the next kind of 12 months, we're expecting things to stay pretty flat, maybe a little increase depending on what happens with inflation and the official cash rate that the Reserve Bank announces. And then we're expecting rates to come back a little bit. So generally people are fixing for 18 months to 2 years, but it's really important that we have a conversation with clients and look at what their plans are. If you're looking to sell within the next 12 months, and fixing for 2 years probably isn't the best option for you. If you're looking to borrow some more money soon to do some things, then maybe there's a different strategy there as well. And also depending on your risk appetite, there might be some other options available at the same time. So if you've got any questions, feel free to reach out. Always happy to have a call, and we can chat through things, see where things are at, make a bit of a plan. Even if you're not looking to buy right now, and even if you have no plans to buy, if you're looking to pay your lending off quicker or anything like that, we can obviously give you some advice there. Two quick things as well. If you're either a first home buyer or you know someone who's a first buyer, myself and my business partner Claire, we have released a podcast that some people might be interested in. It's a 10-part podcast series. You can find it on all of your podcast apps. It's called the My Mortgage Podcast, funnily enough. And there's some really good helpful information, good tips and tricks for first home buyers. So something you could take a look at. And also Claire has written and just released a book specifically for first home buyers in New Zealand. So if you or someone you know is starting that journey, they're available on our website, mymortgage.co.nz, and you can buy a book and you can give it as a gift or give it to someone. There's a little workbook series you can go along with it as well. And then we can obviously sit down and chat through that process. So some really helpful little things for first home buyers that is there that we've created as well. Any questions, feel free to let us know. Look forward to working with you soon.